second um, toy in the Paw Patrol Fire Rescue line. This one is titled Marshall's Rescue Fire Engine. One thing I'm not totally one thing I don't totally understand about this one is that Marshall is wearing his normal red uniform as opposed to his tan one from the Fire Rescue series. And again, we have Marshall and his fire engine right here, which is going to be the same case for all of these $15 toys. And and it's a little different on the two largest toys in this line. And I'm not entirely sure why, but here we have Marshall, two water projectiles, and his fire engine. So here on the back, it shows how it works. It can shoot water out of its cannon. And here it has the collect all six: Marshall's fire engine, Rocky's hazard tanker, Chase's fire cruiser, Sky's helicopter, Rebel's dump truck, and Zuma's hovercraft. I purchased all of these at Target, so they should be easily available. They have sold 2,000, more than 2,000 in the last month alone, so these are very, very popular toys. So with that, let's open her up. Or open him up, whatever you want. I'm gonna probably end up ripping the packaging on this one, so let's pull this off. I'm gonna get pull the thing clean off. How nice. Now let's get the back one off, which is probably gonna be easier said than done. So, there we go. Now all I have to do is okay. Now we have the bottom one just like we have with Gates's rescue fire cruiser. Let's untwist it. Let's untwist these. Dang. Just like the last one, it looks like I got this one's still stuck in here, but I'll get it done after I'm done with the video. In the meantime, let's get Marshall and his projectiles out. So just like last time, he's held it